Hello world, it's me again from www.mainanmiliter.net, and good to see you again. And I'll show you today uh, the spring airsoft gun, which is very popular in Indonesia. And these soft guns can be found in any places like in the Tosh market, or you can get it online. And there are three types of soft guns. They are spring type, and then electric type, and the last is gas. The ones that is very popular in Indonesia is spring guns. It is intended for the children and kids or teenager for the collection or just for playing. So here we are. This is a pistol, and this is very famous in Indonesia, and nowadays it's a kind of a rare thing because we hardly find it anywhere, both in the market when you go to the toys market or online. It's simple. This is the magazine. You can see here the magazine. Yeah, you put the BB bullet here, and then you load it again, and then you cock it, pull the trigger, bam. Yeah. And then the second one, this is water bullet actually, but BB bullet can be used here. Yeah, this is the cock. Yeah, you must cock here, then fire. Okay. And the last one is this big one. Yeah, this is the magazine. You can load it here, and then pull, cock, and then fire. Yeah. Why they are very popular here? Because as we see the price, it's very reasonable, and parents usually buy it for gift or in the festival days as a completion of doing something like the kids finish their Ramadan time and they give it as a gift. But be careful, mind your eyes, because the bullet is very dangerous. It can make a ricochet and may hit your eyes. So you must use the protective gears like glasses made for this purpose. So I think that's everything from us from Indonesia, and I'll see you again in the next video. Keep your wits about you, and goodbye.